So before and after pictures, we obviously know how to do that, but you did the little pinch thing on kind of the hand, little video of that, just any other, ideas that we might not think about to kind of document where we are today. And then what's the reasonable time frame? Do we take another picture tomorrow after the first bottle? Do we wait a week? Is it a month? When is somebody going to actually pinch their hand again and say, oh, wow, like this is a noticeable change in my structure. This is working.
Yeah. So, this is where I want to say this is the beautiful thing of the industry, what brought me to this industry, right? I talked about at the beginning, and part of the challenges in this industry is you'll have individuals who unfortunately will greatly exaggerate different things. And really that, to me, that's an unfortunate situation. And you have competitors and all this other stuff where it's like, I was bald, now look at what's happened. All right. So first of all, you're not all of a sudden, we're not going to make a Tyler Dickerhoof at Dr. Plant. Like, come on, it's impossible. And I hope he's watching this right now. But what it does is, right, when we look at this, our body, with collagen being the most abundant molecule, most abundant protein in the body. You think about it, I don't know, average individual weighs, let's say 150 pounds. And if it being the most abundant, there is a lot of collagen in that body. And you're supplementing it at 5 grams a day. Now, for people saying, hey, I took this in a day and look what happened. Well, first of all, you're not fixing the problem, you're masking it. You're putting lipstick on a pig for people that are like, oh my goodness, like that's how makeup works. And topical applications is I got this crow feet, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna put Botox or whatever it might be. You're really just masking the problem. But to actually correct that, the clinical studies go usually about 30 days is when you'll begin to notice the difference. But you'll see in some of these clinical studies that have been done, 120 days is really when that peak performance happens. And then it becomes into maintenance. You have to remember, you're doing 5 to 10 grams a day based on 1 or 2 of these a day. You've got a lot of collagen in your body that it's going to start to then replace that mortar. And you got 40 trillion cells, you got a lot of mortar that you're going to be replacing. And you're going to want to make sure that you kind of keep it going, keep it regular, so that mortar feels confident to start replacing itself at a higher quality level.
Okay, so one more question for those of us that are a little bit older, that may pinch and just look at a little peak for a while. It doesn't really go down. Is this something where doubling up, say 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening for 120 days, and then backing down to 1 when you've kind of gotten ahead of the curve would be advisable?
Yeah.
Or do we just have to acknowledge that we're older and our structure may need more maintenance, like for the rest of the time we're here?
And it may be, right? And it's hard to kind of make that because we haven't done the studies with respect to the different demographics to kind of look at that, right? And so, but with that very much a logical approach, Michael, and I theoretically it would very much hold true, that you kind of double up that 1 or 2 a day or double up for the first 120 days is a great way of kind of doing it to jumpstart that. And that's exactly what Kathy has done. And then she'll bring it down into kind of that maintenance level.